Hello everybody, Gage Castillo, sliceofthe.net. Today we are going to do a somewhat of an unboxing of my new BlackBerry Bold 9930, and this is the boxing that it comes with. Standard Verizon issue. Woohoo! Cool. So yeah, go ahead and slide this sucker off. Make some room over here. Nice little BlackBerry box. And just little side notes, we did activate this already at the Verizon store, so this isn't my first time booting it up. Just a side note, this is kind of hard to take out of the box first time. So, sticker's still on it. We'll set this aside for now, explore what's in the box. And my camera's fading in and out, trying to focus. Sorry about that. I am recording with my webcam. So right here we have our nifty little box. I kind of dig in the whole deal with this. We got a screen polisher. Sweet. Verizon paperwork, support card, la-di-da, la-di-da. Nice little BlackBerry wrapping. Cool. And then we have Snapdragon processor stuff. Cool, cool. Set that aside. Here, the BlackBerry Bold swivel holster. Alright, while I rip this open. That's one side of it. Pretty cool. Sorry, getting frustrated with this. Rather two-handed. Okay, BlackBerry swivel holster. Cool, cool. Looking nice and stylish. Okay. And little piece of foam stacked in here. And then the charger. Okay. We got one of those fancy new rim chargers. Pretty cool. This is my first time having one. I actually was using the original bulky ones that came with my Bold 9650 and the one that comes with the Storm when I first got it. See if I can open this up with my teeth. One second again. Okay, bubble wrap is off. Here is the new charger. Pretty nifty. Not sure how it works just yet. Oh, you plug it in through this port, the USB to that. So, pretty cool. What else do we have? And of course, lo and behold, we have the USB ports. And the micro USB, and cool. So move all that aside, and we'll get to the phone. This is not my first time starting it up, so boo-hoo. Buy one and you'll see for yourself. That trackpad lighting up is pretty awesome. And connected to Wi-Fi and 3G. All around. So, BlackBerry OS 7. It's awesome. I'm going to go into a little bit more depth on it during the review, but overall, it's pretty nice. We'll do a little bit of speed testing comparisons through my 9650. Both running on Verizon. We'll do a Wi-Fi test and then we'll do a network test from Verizon Wireless and 3G. What else can I say? It's pretty responsive. As soon as I touch it, it works. And let's look at the form factor right here. We'll do a comparison with my 9650 a little bit more in depth. And oh, which reminds me, we can finally take off the screen covering and all that wonderful jazz. Woohoo. Oh, I could have just done that. Been a lot more easier. And anything else? Is there anything? Overall, very sexy phone. BlackBerry Bold 9930. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing video. Maybe next time I'll get the phone shipped to my house, and we'll be a little bit more accurate there. But BlackBerry 07, we will get more in-depth on the review of the phone, or actually I'd say impression, since we have plenty of other sites that have reviewed it, but maybe we'll add a little slice of the net flavor to it. So yeah, look forward to it. Thank you for watching.